Assalamu alaikum class. I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. You know this is your maths period and I am your maths teacher Miss Faiza Tahir and it's your lecture number 11. As you all know class, we have started our first unit which is numbers and arithmetic operations. As you all know class, there are four arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In our previous lecture, we started division and today we will do some more questions of it. Okay class? So class, it's page number 15, question number 8AB. Write in long division form and divide. Class, in division there are four important things, important points to remember, to keep in your mind. First, dividend, the number which we divide. The divisor, the number which divides a dividend. वो नंबर जो जिससे हमने डिविडेंड को डिवाइड करना होता है उसको हम डिवाइजर कहते हैं. उसके बाद आ जाता है क्वोशिएंट. क्वोशिएंट इज एक्चुअली द आंसर वी गेट फ्रॉम डिवीजन and the remaining we get at the end of the question is remainder. Okay, so let's start our work. Write in long division form and divide. And question number 8AB, I am going to solve part 8 of page number 15, question number 8. So let's start. Write dividend here. We have to write it in vertical form, in long division form. 29 divided by 29. So class, how to solve it? As I already told you in previous lecture that we will first look at the number of digits of divisor. There are 2 digits. If there are 2 digits, so we will also take 2 digits of dividend. Okay class? But if the divisor is greater than dividend, then we will take 3 digits. But here the divisor is smaller than dividend, then we will only take 2 digits of dividend. Okay class? Now what we have to do, as we all don't know about 29 times table. So we will first make a table. At the left side of the page, you have to make first a column and write rough work. RW means rough work. So we will make a table here, 29 times table here. It's 29 twos are 29, threes are 29, fours are 29 fives are 145. I have created a table, 29 times table here. Now class, look at the question. 29 4618 divided by 29. So first we have to take 46. We will look on the table. Is there any value smaller than 46? 29 twos are 58. So 29 ones are 29. 6 minus 9. We cannot subtract 9. 9 minus 6. We cannot subtract 9 from 6. So we will take 1 from here. It's 16. Now minus 9 from 16 we get 7, and here it is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. It's 17. Now 17 is smaller than 29. So we have to take 1 from here. Now it's 171. Now look at the 29 times table. Is there any 171? 29 twos are 58. 29 threes are 87. 29 fours are 116. 29 fives are 145. 29 six are 174. Class, 174 is greater than 171, but 145 is smaller than 171. So we will take smaller value from it. Okay, 29 fives are 145. Now subtract it from 171. We cannot minus 5 from 1, so we will take 1 from 7. Now it's 11. Minus 5 from 11 we get 6. Here it is 6. 6 minus 4, 2. Now it's 26. As you know, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now class, again 26 is smaller than 29. So we will take 8 from here. Now it's 268. Now again look at the rough work. 29 times table. 268. Is there any value smaller than 268? Because I cannot find any 268. Because there is no 268 here. It's 261. Let's look at this. It's 261. 29 tens are is obviously 290. So which value is smaller? 261 is smaller or 290 is smaller? 261 is smaller, class. So we will take 29. Nines are 261. 261 is smaller. Class, यहाँ पे बाकी values भी smaller हैं, but we have to take the value which is closer to this value. 261 is closer to 268. So we will take 261. हम लेने को तो 232 भी ले सकते थे, लेकिन हमने वही वैल्यू लेनी है जो कि हमारे पास जो रिक्वायरमेंट है उसके क्लोजर हो. उसके क्लोजर तो 261 ही है, तो हम 261 लेंगे. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्टेड 8 minus 1 7, 6 minus 6 0, 2 minus 2 0. So it's our remainder. The remaining we get at the end of the question is our remainder. We will write our 7 means remainder 7. 159 is our quotient and 7 is our remainder. Okay class, got it? Now class, come to another part which is question number 9AB of page 15, which is exactly like part 8. And class, I have done part 8 of question 8 here and part A for you, and you have to do part B by your own. Okay class? Now class, it's page number 15, question number 9AB. Divide then multiply to check. Dividend is 4082 and divisor is 62. क्लास, यहाँ पे उन्होंने आपको डिविडेंड भी बता दिया और डिवाइजर भी बता दिया. नाउ यू हैव टू राइट इट फर्स्ट लाइक दिस. डिविडेंड इज 4082 and divisor is 62. So class, what you have to do first, you have to make a rough column, a column here of rough work, and here you have to create a 62 times table. So class, here 62 twos are 2 twos are 4, 2 6 are 12. It's 124. 62 threes are 3 twos are 6, 6 threes are 18. It's 186. Now 62 fours are 62 fours are 2 fours are 8, 6 fours are 24. Now 62 fives are 5 twos are 10, 6 fives are 30, and 30 plus 1 is 310, 310. Now class, I have created 62 times table here. You can see here 62 times table. Now class, let's start solving the question. Class, here you can see the number of digits in divisor is 2. So we will take 2 digits from here. But class, 62 is greater than 40. So as I told you, if the divisor is greater than dividend, so we will take 3 digits from it. Okay. Now here we will look in 62 times table. 408. It's 124, 186, 248, 62 fives are 310, 372, 434. It's greater than 434. There is no 408 class, so we will take a value smaller than 408. So a value smaller than 408 is 372, and the value greater than 408 is 434. So what you have to do, you have to take 372 because it's smaller than 408. So 62 6 are 372. Now subtract it from the 408. You get 8 minus 2 is 6. And class, we cannot subtract 7 from 0, so we will borrow from it. Now it's 10 minus 7 is 3. It's 36. And here it is 3. So 3 minus 3, as you all know, is 0. There is nothing. Now class, we have 36. And you know 36 is smaller than 62. So we will borrow from it here. Sorry, we will take 2 from here. It's 362 now. Now class, look for 362 in the 26 times table. There is no 362 in 62 times table. So class, you have to look for a value smaller than 362. So a value smaller than 362 is 62 multiplied by 5 is equal to 310. And a value greater than 362 is 372. और हमें तो क्लास चाहिए 362 से छोटी वैल्यू. ओके, तो स्मॉलर वैल्यू तो हमें ये नज़र आ रही है. 62 multiplied by 5, 310. So we will write here 62 5s are 310. Now 2 minus 0 is 2 and 6 minus 1 is 1. Sorry, 5. Now we have remainder 5. Remaining 5. Our quotient is 65. 65. Remainder 52. So we have divided. हमने एक रिक्वायरमेंट तो उनकी पूरी कर दी कि हमने डिवाइड कर दिया. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई टू चेक. हमने चेक करना है कि हमारा आंसर जो है वो ठीक है कि नहीं, वेदर इट इज़ राइट और रॉन्ग. सो हमने ये चेक करना है कि हमने ये सही सॉल्व किया है या नहीं किया. वी विल राइट हियर चेक. नाउ हाउ टू चेक? फर्स्ट you have to multiply quotient with divisor. our quotient is 65. Write 65 first and multiply it to 62. Okay class, the answer we get from here, we will add that answer to our remainder. Yeah, we will add our remainder to that answer. Then we will see whether our dividend is also the same value or not. Let's start. 2 multiplied by 5 is 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 13, it's 130. Now 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, now 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 3 is 39. Now add 0, 3, 9 plus 1 10 and 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4, it's 4030. We get 4030 after multiplying our quotient with divisor. Now class, you have to add your remainder. You have to add remainder in this value we get. 0 plus 2 is 2, 5 plus 3 is 8, here 0 and it is 4082. Now class, look, is the dividend same in both values? 4082, 4082. So class, the answer matched. The answer has matched. So class, हमारा आंसर मैच हो गया. इसका मतलब कि हमने डिवाइड जो किया वो बिल्कुल सही तरीके से किया है. हमारा क्वेश्चन टोटली करेक्ट है. ओके क्लास, आई होप आपको कोई डिफ़िकल्टी नहीं लगी होगी इस कॉन्सेप्ट में. पार्ट बी मैंने सॉल्व कर दिया, पार्ट ए आप खुद सॉल्व करोगे और क्वेश्चन नंबर 8A भी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9A भी, दोनों आपकी कॉपी वर्क है. आपने इसको कॉपी पे करना है विद प्रॉपर margin lines with neat and clean handwriting. Now class, look at page number 10, question page number 15, question number 10A. Question number 10, write the quotients in the blanks. ये पार्ट आपने बुक पे ही करना है और ये कैसे सॉल्व करना है ये मैं आपको बताने लगी हूँ. Class, here it is question number 10, which is write the quotients, and this is your book work. Class, first is A, 4900 divided by 49. Class, how to do it? As you all know, 49 ones are 49, so we will cut it 49 with 49 and write here 1 because 49 ones are 49. Now we get 100 because 1 after 1 with 2 0 is 100. So our answer is 100. Okay class. Now here you can see we can cut 0 with 0. यहाँ से भी आपने 1 डिजिट ले लिया और यहाँ से भी 1 डिजिट ले लिया. 0 0 से कट हो गया. Now we have 2 and we have 8. We will look for 1 digit. Okay, 2 and 8. Now class, you all know 2 times table. आप सबको ही आता होगा. तो 2 के टेबल में क्लास 8 किधर आता है? 2 4s are 8 and after 4 we have how many zeros? 2 zeros. It's 400. Write 400. It's our question. Now again cut 0 with 0. Here we have 4 and here we have 4 and 8, 48. As you all know, 4 ones are 4 and 8, 4 twos are 8, it's 12, and after 48 we have 1 0, it's 120. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 0 here with 12 is 120. Now class, look at this. Again 0 with 0, कट कर दिया हमने. Now we have 1 here and here 650. So 650 and 1 is the answer. Now class, in 17 times table, we know 17 multiplied by 3 is 51. So 17 3s are 51. After 3 we have 51, we have 2 zeros, so we will write 300. 300 is 300. Now class, look for 12's time table. In 12's time table, 84 comes at 7. 12 into 7 is equal to 84. So we will write 7 after cutting 84, and after 84 we have 2 zeros, so we will write 208. It's 700. Okay class, clear? Class, question number 1 on page number 14. Question number 1 on page number 14. 1 is fill in the blanks, second is true false, and third is MCQs. क्लास, ये आप सब ने खुद सॉल्व करना है. ओके बेटा, यू हैव टू डू इट बाय योर ओन सेल्फ. ठीक है? So this is your today's C work. Now come to your homework. In class, today's math diary is page number 15, part 8 EF, question number 8 EF. ओके क्लास, ये आपने कॉपी पे करना है. दिस इज़ योर कॉपी वर्क. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द कॉन्सेप्ट. एंड क्लास, डू योर वर्क नीटली, ओके, विथ proper spacing after 3 digits. As you all know, you are writing in international period, तो आपने 3 डिजिट्स के बाद स्पेस लाजमी देनी है. अब तक मैंने आपका जितना होमवर्क चेक किए है, मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स ने स्पेस नहीं दी हुई, तो आपने 1 प्लेस वैल्यू से स्पेस लाजमी देनी है. लाइक 2 3 4 1 5 7. आफ्टर 3 डिजिट्स देयर मस्ट बी स्पेस. ये आप देख रहे हैं ये खाली जगह, तो आपने 1 ब्लॉक की एटलीस्ट स्पेस देनी है, ताकि ये पता चले कि आप इंटरनेशनल पीरियड में राइट करें. यू आर राइटिंग इन इंटरनेशनल पीरियड. ओके क्लास, क्लियर? अल्लाह हाफिज़ बेटा, टेक केयर, थैंक यू.